How often have you started a new habit with the best intentions, only to abandon it a few weeks later? You're not alone. Most of us struggle to stick to new routines because we rely on willpower or motivation, both of which fade quickly. I'm Ed Schaefer, executive leadership coach and founder of Agile Ideation. Welcome to today's video. What if there was a way to make habits almost effortless? That's where habit stacking comes in. This simple, science backed strategy builds new habits by linking them to ones you already do every day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use habit stacking to create lasting change in your personal and professional life. Here's what we'll cover: what habit stacking is and why it works, the psychology behind the habit loop, practical examples and tips for implementation, common challenges, and how to overcome them. Let's dive in. What is habit stacking and why does it work? Habit stacking, popularized by James Clear in Atomic Habits, is all about attaching a new behavior to an existing one. Think of it as if then planning. For example, if you make coffee every morning, then you could write down 3 priorities for the day right after. Why does this work? It leverages the brain's natural tendency to form associations. When a new habit is paired with a familiar one, it becomes easier to adopt because you're not starting from scratch. You're simply adding a layer to something you already do. A leader might tie reflection to their morning commute by using it as a time to mentally plan their day. Or you could stack gratitude journaling after brushing your teeth at night. Small habits like these compound over time, leading to meaningful change. Let's break down the science. Every habit is built around a 3 step loop. Step 1 is the cue, trigger that signals the start of a habit. Step 2 is the routine, which is the behavior itself. Step 3 is the reward, which is the benefit you get, which reinforces the habit. Habit stacking makes use of the cue from an existing habit to signal the new one. For instance, your morning coffee becomes the cue to reflect on your priorities. Over time, the new habit feels just as natural as the one it's stacked on. Now that you know the theory, let's get practical. Here are a few examples to spark ideas. For your personal life, after brushing your teeth, drink a glass of water to stay hydrated. After finishing dinner, set out your workout clothes for the next day. For your professional life, after checking emails, review your top 3 priorities. Before leaving work, jot down key insights from the day. How can you start? First, choose a keystone habit. Identify a habit you already do consistently. This becomes your cue. Next, be specific. Use the formula after current habit, I will new habit. And importantly, start small. Focus on one habit at a time to avoid overwhelm. And remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Like any strategy, habit stacking isn't foolproof. Here are some common challenges and how to address them. Watch out for overloading. Trying to stack too many habits at once leads to burnout. A solution: start with one habit and build gradually. Another common problem is forgetting. New habits take time to stick. Use visual reminders or apps to reinforce your stacks. Inconsistency can also be a challenge. Pick habits that align with your daily routine for better success. Patience and consistency are key. Small changes lead to big results. So to recap, habit stacking connects new habits to existing ones, leveraging the brain's natural patterns. Focus on keystone habits and start small to create momentum. Use the habit loop to reinforce your progress over time. Here's your next step. Identify one habit you already do daily and decide what small, meaningful action you can stack onto it. Change doesn't have to be overwhelming. With habit stacking, it can feel effortless. If you found this helpful, share your favorite habit stack in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're working on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more strategies to help you lead with intention and build habits that last.